Hello folks, today we are going to see how to install Docker on Windows. Docker installer for Windows is called Docker Desktop. So let's get started. Open Google Chrome or any browser you use. Search on Docker Windows Download. Click on the second link. Select Download for Windows Stable. This will start the Docker Desktop download. Once the download is finished, go to Show in folder and double click on the installer. Let the installation proceed. Select the default options and click on OK. Docker Desktop installation is now complete. Let's check the Docker version. That's all for today guys, and thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe this channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications for my upcoming videos.